What if I told you this phone completely changed my opinion about smartphone zoom cameras? After using the OPPO Find X9 Ultra for 7 days across Beijing, I can confidently say this is one of the best camera flagships I've tested. And wait until you see what its new 10x zoom can do. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. Let's start with the design. Mine is the earthly round color, blending smooth curves with flat edges for a premium look. The horizontal logo instantly gives it that professional camera vibe. The camera module is the real star. OPPO calls it the Master's Eye design. It features a CNC machined gear-style ring with eye-catching orange accents created through a special 3-stage oxidation process. It looks unique and even feels premium in your hand. On the side, there's an orange shutter button inspired by Hasselblad cameras. Double tap it and the camera opens instantly, so you never miss a shot. The flat display, sharp edges, and solid build make the phone feel truly flagship. Now, let's get to the reason everyone's talking about this phone: the cameras. Both the main camera and the 3x telephoto use 200 megapixel sensors, and the 3x lens has the largest sensor in its class. The main camera also captures 10% more light than before, making a huge difference in difficult backlit scenes. Shoot directly into bright light and you'll notice backgrounds stay controlled instead of blowing out. At the same time, faces keep excellent shadow detail. The dynamic range is seriously impressive. Switch to master mode with the Kodak Protect 400 film filter and portraits instantly gain a warm, cinematic look. Highlights stay smooth, skin tones look natural, and you'll end up with far more usable shots. But the biggest upgrade is the brand new 10x optical telephoto. It's the industry's first 50 megapixel 10x optical zoom with a reflection-free periscope prism. Light bounces internally 5 times, giving it the brightest 10x telephoto system available today. The result is incredible background compression, making subjects stand out with stunning depth. Combined with the Lumo imaging system, it delivers true 50 megapixel optical quality images across every focal length. Another big improvement is focal length coverage. From 0.6x ultra-wide to 10x telephoto, all 6 main focal lengths now capture 50 megapixel 8K photos, something the previous model simply couldn't do. Indoor performance is just as impressive. Warm lighting usually turns skin tones overly orange on most phones, especially with warm-colored backgrounds. To fix this, OPPO's second-generation single-color camera increases spectral channels from 13 to 24, while cutting power consumption by 80%. That means this technology now works for photos, videos, and even live streaming. In real use, skin tones stay accurate while warm backgrounds keep their natural color. The phone separates both perfectly, avoiding unwanted color shifts. This becomes even more obvious inside museums. Metal surfaces look natural, shadows keep detail, highlights don't clip, and colors stay incredibly close to real life. For some museum shots, I attached the 67mm filter adapter with a polarizing filter from the photography kit. The difference was immediate. Reflections on display glass almost disappeared, making fine details much easier to capture. It's a surprisingly useful accessory. Finally, let's talk telephoto. The results are simply outstanding. Roof tile textures stay razor sharp, facial details remain crystal clear, and with the teleconverter attached, even distant fog and tiny gaps between roof tiles are captured with incredible precision. Just when I thought the camera couldn't get any better, the Find X9 Ultra surprised me again. The next few features are exactly why this phone stands out from every other flagship. The detail on distant subjects is incredible. Even textures that are hard to see with your eyes stay sharp and clear. Traditional clip-on telephoto lenses simply can't match this. It feels much closer to using a real camera, proving that great hardware still matters. Now, let's talk video. The Find X9 Ultra records 8K 30 FPS in log, and this generation introduces the new Vlog 2 profile. It delivers a wider dynamic range, smoother highlight and shadow transitions, and a more cinematic look. Plus, it gives creators much more flexibility when color grading. There's also real-time LUT monitoring. You can preview the final graded look while recording, removing the guesswork later. The phone supports up to 10 custom LUTs, and you can apply them with one tap, making videos ready to share almost instantly. A flagship camera also needs flagship power. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 easily delivers, while OPPO's Ice Core cooling system keeps temperatures under control. I recorded 8K log video for nearly an hour, and the phone stayed cool with stable frame rates and no noticeable throttling. That's exactly what creators need. On the software side, two features really stood out. First is AI Travel Collection. Find a travel guide on Xiao Hongshu, press the side button, and the phone instantly creates a complete travel collection with text, images, and even a hand-drawn cover ready to upload. The second feature lets you import your favorite Xiao Hongshu photo styles with one tap. It automatically loads professional shooting settings into the camera, so you get great results without spending time tweaking everything manually. There's also a dual-mode frequency locking system. Capsule mode keeps everything organized, while immersive mode gives you instant access to navigation and music controls without unlocking apps. It sounds small, but once you use it, it's hard to go back. Now, dedicated cameras still win in manual controls and ultimate image quality, but they have one big weakness: they're not always with you. By the time you pull a camera out of your bag, your phone has already captured the moment. After using the Find X9 Ultra for an entire week, I never once wished I'd brought a separate camera. You get 10x optical zoom, professional film-style photos with almost no editing, and a huge 7,550 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day of shooting. The OPPO Find X9 Ultra starts at 7,499 yuan in China, around 814 pounds in the UK, or $1,100 in the US. Optional photography kits with filters and teleconverters are also available if you want to take the camera even further. And honestly, calling this experience good enough would be unfair. It's on another level. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!